How could this dormant channel of only 22 subscribers get access to the community tab when YouTube says you need 500 subscribers? Stay tuned if you currently have a channel without 500 subscribers so you can get access to the community tab and make a deeper connection with your viewers. I polled my subscribers by asking them, do you have access to the community tab if your channel is under 500 subscribers? 70% said yes. Subcheck only has 316 subscribers. Al Hapra only has 330 subscribers. The Lady in Espresso only has 342 subscribers. And Jito1 only has 34 subscribers. What's going on? Let's take a look at the alternative requirements to get access to the community tab without 500 subscribers. YouTube says for the community tab to be available, you need 500 subscribers or enable access to advanced features on your channel. Here's a chart showing the features available for standard, intermediate, and advanced options. As you can see, under advanced options, you get access to the community posts. Add a clickable external link to description. You can apply for monetization so long as you meet the eligibility requirements. Embed live streams and content ID appeal. With the intermediate option, you can make longer videos, live stream on desktop, and upload custom thumbnails. For the standard option, like when you first get started on YouTube, you can upload videos with a daily limit if you have no verification and create playlists. Keep in mind you need to enable advanced features to enable community posts. Let's go to my small channel of 22 subscribers to enable advanced features. Click on Settings in YouTube Studio, click on Channel, click on Feature Eligibility. As you can see, standard features have been enabled. I've got video uploads, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists. And my channel is free of active community guideline strikes. So that's done. Intermediate features have also been enabled, which means that I've verified my phone number. So I can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, and do live streaming. So that's done. Now it shows I'm eligible for advanced features, but it hasn't been enabled. So if I click the drop down, it says I'll be able to create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, have external links in the video descriptions, appeal content ID claims, and eligible to apply for monetization. Monetization has an asterisk next to it, which means that it needs additional requirements. As I mentioned previously, if you enable advanced features, you get access to the community tab. Under requirements, it says to get advanced features, you need intermediate features enabled, which I've done, and just one of these. I can do video verification, which means I simply look at your phone's camera, follow the prompts, look up and down to get quick access to advanced features. After 2 months of channel activity and following our community guidelines, you'll establish channel history and will automatically delete your video. Valid ID. Take a photo of your valid ID like a passport or driver's license to gain quick access to advanced features. Channel history. Keep growing your channel and following our community guidelines to build your channel history. For most creators, this usually takes up to 2 months. If you used your ID or video verification to access advanced features, we'll delete it from your Google account. Keep in mind your channel may have got automatic access to the community tab if you've accumulated enough channel history, even if it's under 500 subscribers. If so, you'll see a notification inside YouTube Studio. So which one of these 3 options is the easiest? Click Access Features. It says choose how to access advanced features. This one-time verification gets you the features to take your channel to the next level and helps us to keep the YouTube community safer for everyone. Video verification approval time, usually up to 1 day. Use your valid ID, approval time up to 1 day. Build channel history, approval time usually takes up to 2 months. I'm going to use the first option, use video verification, because that seems to be the easiest. Approval time is only 1 day and will help you create a 30-second video of yourself looking into your phone's camera. Alternatively, I could use my phone to take a photo of the government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license. I can select Use Video Verification. Click Next. Get email to start verification on your phone. Google is sending the verification link to my email address. Open on your phone and start your verification using your phone's camera. We sent you an email. Check your email for verification link. Tap on Gmail. Use video verification to get advanced YouTube features. A one-time video verification will give you access to advanced YouTube features. We'll help you create a 30-second video of yourself looking into your phone's camera. For a successful video, we recommend recording in a well-lit, which I have, location with a Wi-Fi connection, which I have. Tap Start Verification. Use my Google account. Tap Next. Got to enter my password. Face ID. Now I've got to do two-step verification. Open the YouTube app. Okay, it says open the YouTube app on your phone and tap yes to verify it's you. Open the YouTube app. Yes, it's me. Agree to video verification. Tap the check mark. Allow Google to use your video to help develop and improve its face matching. Tap I agree. Hold your phone at eye level in front of your face. Make sure nothing covers your eyes, nose or mouth, such as sunglasses, fabric or a hat. I guess got to take my hat off. Tap next, following a dot with my eyes. Uploading your video. Thanks for submitting your video verification. Google now needs to review your video. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Once your video verification is approved, you'll immediately be able to use advanced YouTube features. You can check the status of your request or delete your video in your Google account. If you delete your video, you won't be able to use advanced features. You need to build your YouTube channel history or try ID to video verification again to get access to these features. All I have to do now is wait 24 hours for Google to review my video. If your video verification was denied, you'll receive this email. Your video verification was unsuccessful. You have one more opportunity to try again now to get advanced YouTube features. So I could record a video again or take a photo of my ID. This time I'm going to take a photo of my ID. So I'm going to click Get Email to start verification on your phone. YouTube says we sent you an email, so I'm going to check it out. Here's the email. Herman, use your ID for YouTube features. A one-time ID verification will give you access to advanced YouTube features. This extra step helps limit spammers and maintain a safer community for everyone. We'll help you submit a photo of your ID. Start verification. Confirm your date of birth. Use your phone's camera to take a photo of your ID. Your ID must clearly show your date of birth. Tap Next. Tap Allow. Tap Submit. It says your ID is in review. Thanks for submitting your ID. Google now needs to review your ID. This may take up to 24 hours. Once your ID is approved, you'll immediately be able to use advanced YouTube features. All right, that's what I want. You can check the status of your request or delete your ID in your Google account. When I go to this address and look under Identity document, I see that my ID has been verified. If you delete your ID, you won't be able to use advanced YouTube features. You need to build a YouTube channel history or try ID or video verification again to get access to these features. I'm going to check back in 24 hours to see if I have access to the Community tab for my small channel of 22 subscribers. When I check the feature eligibility status in YouTube Studio, it says that my ID verification is still under review. What's going on? I checked back the next day and it says advanced features have been enabled. When I checked with YouTube, they said it would take up to a week to get the Community tab feature. You'll see the Community tab added to the top of your YouTube channel homepage. Team YouTube on Twitter says, we've been getting a lot of questions about how to know when you'll get access to the Community tab. Over the next several weeks, channels with access to advanced features will begin to have access to the Community tab. Here are all the details. I'll post a help article in the description below this video. Keep in mind it can take up to a week to see the Community tab after reaching 500 subscribers on your channel, or it can take 48 hours after you've gained access to the advanced features. If you want to know how to post a poll, image or video on your Community tab, watch this video on the screen right now on how to make community posts on YouTube, desktop or mobile.